In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transpose data in Google Sheets. Transposing data is a handy feature that allows you to switch rows to columns and vice versa. This can be particularly useful when you need to reorganize the layout of your spreadsheet for better analysis or presentation. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by opening up Google Sheets. To do this, navigate to your Google Drive or simply head over to sheets.google.com and log in with your credentials. Once logged in, open the sheet you'd like to work with. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new spreadsheet by clicking on the blank option. Now that your Google Sheet is open, let's locate the data set you want to transpose. Typically, you'll have your data arranged in a few rows or columns. For this demonstration, we'll assume your data is in rows 1, 2, and 3. So go ahead and click and drag over rows 1, 2, and 3 to select them. This step ensures that all the content you wish to transpose is highlighted and ready for the next action. With your rows selected, carry out a right-click with your mouse. This right-click will open up a contextual menu with several options. From this menu, you need to find and click on the Copy option. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac to copy the data. The data is now copied to your clipboard and ready to be pasted elsewhere. Next, scroll down or navigate to where you want the transposed data to appear. For this example, let's click on cell A7. Clicking on a starting cell gives Google Sheets a reference point for where to begin pasting your transposed data. Once you've clicked on cell A7, right-click again to access the contextual menu one more time. From this menu, move your cursor over the Paste Special option. Hovering will open up additional options within this menu. From the Paste Special submenu, you'll see Transposed. Go ahead and click on Transposed. This action will paste your previously copied data into the new location, now transposed. This means that what was previously arranged in rows is now aligned in columns and vice versa. And there you have it. You've successfully transposed your data in Google Sheets. This method is particularly beneficial for quickly changing the layout due to presentation needs or pattern observation in your data analysis. If you have any further questions or need more clarification on this process, feel free to reach out in the comments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials.